Food Lion in Banner Elk, near our place in the mountains. Spectral would advance. What does Mom want? Looking for some cleaner. Another one. There are a lot of them on the ceiling. Yay. We're actually right across the street from that laundromat. Well, Chlora. Helping my dad find some sprayer. Well, got a couple new keys too. Here's a new key I got. Here's a new key. Here's a new key I got with a little blue and with a little blue, teal, and purple-ish, I don't know, string. Won't fit around you. It's not a lanyard. I have to dig for this one. A Honda. Pretty common remote. I think I already have one of these. Just don't know, to be honest. And a bigger Toyota key. And I got this bigger Toyota key. Along with this bigger Toyota, along with this, I got that along with this, along with another Toyota key. Got a lot of Toyota and GM keys. And a lot of Hondas. Have more keys that go to American cars than foreign cars. And at home I've got I got a Chrysler. I got a Dodge and Chrysler minivan. Minivan, I don't know. 1, 2, 3, 4. 6-button remote or 7-button, 5 buttons. I don't know how many buttons it has on it, but it's actually the key to the newest. It's the newest. It's like the zip drive. It's the key that kind of looks like a zip drive. It was on. It looks like the key to my cousin's 2009 Dodge Ram that used to be my aunt's car. Oh, sorry. Didn't know what he was doing, but there's a PG-12 and an annunciator. Two horns. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye.